Hello beautiful people, thank you for tuning up my channel. I hope everybody is doing well. Hey, I'm here in Kotor Bay, Montenegro in Europe. I was looking for a seafood market to buy some seafood so I can cook today. I have some guests coming over and finally I found this place. So let's go inside and see what kind of seafood they have. Hey, this is I want dranching, which is mean sea bass. That's a perfect for me. Hey, welcome to my apartment. I'm preparing right now a marination for the sea bass. I need some garlic, onions, some parsley, and some rosemary. Sea bass. You see my sea bass is here. It's a half frozen. These sea bass need to be scalloped, all of it, and it is a time consuming. You know, you have to be patient on that because without scaling you don't want to cook fish. And here, shrimps. I'm gonna make something mixed with shrimps and squid. Get a knife, like kind of zigzag knife. I don't have real tools here because this apartment don't have everything. So I think this bread cutter knife could be work to scale. You have to go through every inch of it. You do not leave any part without scaling. You don't want to eat fish scales. Basically, the fish scales is protecting fish skins from predator or parasites. But not all the fish has scales, such as swordfish, eel, catfish. Those fish doesn't have scales. Now keep in mind, cleaning the guts, you have to be careful because some fishes cleaning guts is very sensitive, such as tuna or mackerel. It could be a food poisons, especially when you're preparing for sushi. So when you cut it, make sure that every part of the guts is out, and also the gill need to be taken off. Now you can chop it up the whole head and you don't have to worry about the gill to cleaning, but I want to keep the whole fish look like a fish but they clean from inside. Now is the time for marination. Here go. The marination is, as you see, that I had onions, garlic, parsley, rosemary, and I put some black pepper and some red chili, dry red chili and 100% virgin olive oil. We keep that at least for 3 to 4 hours inside the refrigerator. As you know that I do not like fish just salt and pepper. Now is the time for preparation. The shrimps and squid together, I'm going to making a mixed seafood. Also the belly of the shrimp, just slit it all the way to the tail, and that way when you put the marination, it's gonna be go inside the shrimp and that will be taste great. Don't forget to rinse it with the cold water. All the shrimps, I'm gonna mix it up with my marination, and that would be onions, parsley, bay leaf, garlic, olive oil. As you see that here, they're all fresh. There's no any powder or pack. It's everything fresh. Mix it up together, and then after that I'm going to put on the top of it the squid. Now squid, I basically gonna keep it up as it is, but I know that there are going to be 8 or 9 people maybe coming. Maybe I need to cut half to just to make sure everybody has a piece. The only thing that I have to clean this squids is basically the spine, and you pull it out. You feel it, little plastic kind of things, transparent. You pull it out, and that's it. That is the things you need to take it off. Now I'm mixing up with my shrimps. In the same marination that the shrimp has, it's gonna be mixing up with that. Put some sea salt. Most importantly, I'm gonna put sweet and hot Thai chili sauce. Actually, I bought this from Los Angeles because I didn't know it's gonna be available in Montenegro. At least 1 lemon juice need to be in there. After you put the lemon juice, you just mix it up. Give it a stir. And once I put it in the refrigerator, I'm gonna go ahead and cook that just 20 or 30 minutes before my guest arrival. The potato that I'm gonna make is called Dalmatian style. So basically that is one of the region in Croatia. Now once the potato is done, this is gonna be look like. After the potatoes soften, just peel the skin off. Fresh garlic toast, as you see right on my cutting board. And I did it with the olive oil and garlic. That's it. And this all need to be mixed up with the potato. And it's gonna be look like this. Put some parsley, some black peppers, and then don't forget to put 100% olive oil. Oh, this olive oil, I can even smell so fresh. Let's make some fresh salad. Paprika, cucumber, red onions, and some tomato. Mix it up together. Some Greek cheese on it. I was looking for feta cheese, I couldn't find it, but less Greek cheese is okay, not a problem. Make my own dressing. I have garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, squeeze it all the way in, and some oregano and sea salt. I don't have balsamic vinegar, but I'll see if I can find it. But without that, it's still going to be okay. This is about the time to cook this mixed seafood. A guest probably coming up within a 20 to 30 minutes. The first 4 to 5 minutes high fire, and the rest would be about low fire, and cook for a total of 10 minutes, I guess. Meanwhile, let's go to my balcony and show you something. This is a view from my balcony. This morning, actually, I was on the beach and enjoying my day. So let's go back to the kitchen. Alright, so look like it's almost done, maybe a couple of more minutes. We will be eating outside here. You see with the aluminum foil I covered my seafood mix, my potato, my salad, everything in here. And the grill is getting hot enough, and I have some gravy for potato. I'm not sure if they're gonna like it. Look at this beautiful view. While you're eating, enjoying, having a wine, and you see this view, unbelievable. Apartment owner, he tried to show us how to remove the grass from inside the mussels. You need to remove it first, and then you put it in your mouth. You don't eat with the grass. So let me try myself. I'm holding the grass and pull it off. Now is the time for the sea bass going in the grill. Let's put it, cook it, and we're gonna be enjoying it so much. You know, I have a feeling, I think this fish gonna be turned out very well. I'm sure the color gonna be come out so fantastic. Oh, look at that. I just flipped the fish in the other side and look the color. You have no idea that the aromatic smell is so good. It's not like a fishy smell. It is something like, hey, you know what? I want to eat that fish. Trust me, I'm not bragging myself. I know that that fish is going to be turned out very well. I think this fish is almost done, probably a couple of more minutes, and it will be ready for the table. I really like to ask my guest, see what is their opinion. What do you think about the fish?
I think that you're hired.
I am?
Yes.
Awesome.
You're the next cook.
Perfecto.
Perfecto.
Chef, congratulations. I ate food of many great chefs, but But
You
this
are on
was
the
special,
top.
huh?
You're on the
All
top.
right. Thank you so much.
To the chef.
My compliment.
After this meal, everybody is full. Everybody got a one piece of fish. I mean the whole fish. Yes. Iced coffee. It's about to sunset right now. And sunset's so beautiful in Kotor Bay. We were watching this beautiful panoramic view, the water and this mountain. And the night falls. I would never forget this moment. It was a moment that I had a wonderful guest and I had a great time. This fish was great, actually turned out to be the best than anything that I cook. Salad, potato, seafood, but the fish was the number one. Okay, beautiful people, thank you for watching my video. I do really appreciate it. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I also do have a travel channel, and if you want to visit, please do so. Meanwhile, see you until next video.